another episode on Eagle Eye Angle. In this episode, we want to express our gratitude for how far you guys have been with us and your support for our channel. We just want to say thank you very much. You know what? In this episode, we want to introduce to you guys how to prepare organic blended cocoyam fufu with light soup. It is very simple but delicious, and everyone can do it. Be on standby. I will be back. Welcome back. Fast forward, I just want to introduce my ingredients to you guys so that we start cooking. I have cocoyam, which I'll be using for my blended fufu. Then I have my meat, nicely washed. I also have my tilapia, the smoked ones, which I'll be adding to the meat for the soup. Then I also have my shrimp powder as my ingredients, which I'll be adding to my soup. Then I have my red pepper, which I'll be using. I also have my tomatoes, the fresh tomatoes, which I'll be adding to the pepper for my soup. Then I can never prepare soup without onions, so I have my onions here. I also have my ginger and my garlic, which I'll be adding. If you're going to prepare light soup, you have to add ginger and garlic to it. Then I also have my turkey berry, then my garlic eggs, which I'll be adding. In all, I have my salt to give me taste. Then I have my turmeric powder. Then I also have my ojiaware powder, which I'll be adding to the shrimp powder for my soup. Please guys, don't go nowhere. Just sit at the corner so that we cook together. I love you guys. Let's start cooking. So at this point, we start by washing our vegetables. We are going to put it on fire to steam it. Then we use it for our soup. We have to add water to it before we put it on fire to steam it. Now we have to blend our ingredients for our soup. Our ginger, onion, garlic. We are going to blend it. At this moment, I'm going to put my meat on fire. So I'm to add my ingredients to it before I'll put it on fire. So I have my chopped onions. Then blended ingredients. Salt, then my shrimp powder, ojiaware powder, and turmeric powder. So now we have to put our meat on fire to steam it. So at this point our vegetables are ready. So we have to blend it. So let's blend it. At this point our meat is getting ready. So please guys, we are going to add our blended vegetables to it to prepare our soup. So let's do it together by adding our blended vegetables to the meat for our soup. I think the soup is thick, so let's add more water to it to make it light. Let's add more water to make it light. Very soon our soup will be ready. Now viewers, we are to add our smoked tilapia to the soup and our okra to it. So at this point we are going to add it. Help me to add it. Hello viewers, it's time for us to blend our cocoyam for our fufu. So you have to peel it before you cut it, then you blend it for it. So let's peel it, then we cut it together, then we blend it. See, we start by peeling. When you finish peeling, then you wash it nicely. After washing, then you cut it. When we are done with the washing, we have to cut it, then we blend it. So you take your time so that the knife will not cut your hand, your finger. Now we are done with the blending. So our cocoyam, blended cocoyam fufu is now on fire. So we blend it till it mold, then we call it over. So very soon our food will be ready. As we told you guys that it's very simple and easy doing. So we are on the process. So very soon to be ready. Hello viewers, at this moment our fufu is ready, so we are going to take it off from the fire, then we call it a day. Wow, I told you it's very simple and easy doing. Now the food is ready and I just cannot wait to have a taste of it. Thank you for cooking with us. Keep on supporting us by subscribing, sharing, and don't forget to press the notification bell for us. Let's serve the food and have a taste of it. We love you. Hey, just look at it. how the color and everything is. And ninu cry nebe kumino. Ne deno cry too much. So we have to serve. Then we consume our food. Let's serve now. As you can see, we are consuming our food. It's very delicious, very tasty. Today the Consumers Association, they are not around, so it left with me and then my auntie. So we have to consume for you people. But we wish you guys are here to join us. As you are not here, please just support us by subscribing, share the video, then you press the notification bell for us. The Cocoyam Fufu is very simple to do. It's easy making. Try this in your houses and see how it is. You will love it.
Already.
As you can see, we've consumed everything. Keep supporting us by subscribing, sharing the videos for us, leave your comments. Then you also don't forget to press the notification bell for us. Eagle eye angle. Subscribe. We love you. Mwah.